Hey everyone, Pioneers RV here coming to you with a super special deal on this brand new 2023 Keystone Retreat 39 FLFT. This is a park model. You got two slides over on this side. See those windows up there? That's for a second bedroom loft for the kids. There's two of them. Sliding doors, so normally you'd have a patio set up here on your piece of land or out in the RV park. Here, let me bypass the bedroom. Let's get right to the rear living room quick. Ta-da! Look at the super tall ceilings. We got theater seats directly in front of this huge TV and fireplace that does throw out some heat. Out back, we have a sofa that does convert into a bed. Nice ceiling fan. That TV, by the way, does come out and swivel as you wish. Beautiful solid surface countertops. Electric fridge. 3-burner stove. An oven. Microwave. Oh, here's a little sneak peek at the loft. One of them. That's right, there's more than one. Pantry. Great spot here for your coffee maker or toaster. All right. Bathroom up next, that is a ceramic toilet. Medicine cabinet. We do have a very well-placed fan. Ceilings are a little lower than usual, simply because right on top is the loft. Storage. And down low. And let's take a look at the shower. Okay, kids, let's see where you can sleep. How about right up here? There's one of them. Oh, this one here is massive. With your own AC unit. Great spot here to put a TV, window. Love it. All right, kids. Mom and Dad are going to be right here. King size bed. Window within that slide. Check out the windows here out front. Awesome. Lots and lots of storage. Ta-da! Absolutely awesome, folks. I can definitely see this on a nice piece of land somewhere. Even we got a skylight there with a shade. Folks, I forgot to mention too, central vacuum system already in here. Okay, folks, we are drastically reducing the price of this unit. The manufacturer has given us the okay. Reduce it. Not only that, but we're also offering 5.99% financing. Folks, this will give you a super low payment of only $382 bi-weekly. Now that's tax included with no money down. Now, if you have a trade with the taxable benefit, maybe you have a little equity, your payment could be much, much lower. Give us a call, folks. 388-5751, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. We certainly hope to see you soon. Huge closet. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.